welcome back to my channel Learn and Care with Sneha. Guys, hope you all are safe and doing well, and I hope you all enjoyed my previous makeup video. Guys, if you have not yet watched that video, then I'll provide you link on I button. You can check it from there. So guys, today I am going to share with you all this makeup look, and this look is for Navratri. Yes guys, as we all know, Navratri is all near, so that I have created this makeup look for you all, and I hope you all are liking it. So guys, let's not talk more and let me show you how I created this makeup look. So guys, to create this look, firstly I'm taking my L'Oreal Base Magic Primer and I'm applying it on all over my face, especially focusing on T-zone areas. To create my base, today I will take my PAC HD Liquid Foundation and I am in the shade 1.6, and I am applying it on all over my face and blending it with the help of my Beauty Blender. I prefer Beauty Blender to blend any liquid foundations. You can also take any brush, but I am taking my Beauty Blender. For my face, today I am taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast and I am contouring my face with the help of this. For concealer, today I am also taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I will give you the shade in description box. You can check it from there. And then I am concealing it and I am applying it on all over my highlighted areas and also under eye area, and then again blending it with the help of my Beauty Blender. Now I am done with my base, and now I am taking my Kryolan's translucent powder TL1 and I am setting my base with the help of this. I am just taking a brush and applying it on all over my face. Rose, today I am taking my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and I am taking this ebony color from this palette and I am shaping my brow with the help of an angular brush. I'm taking my Swiss Beauty concealer and I am applying it on all over my eye area to create my base for my eyeshadow. And again blending it with the help of my Beauty Blender, and I will set it with the help of my translucent powder. Here I am done with my eye base, and now I am taking my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and I am taking this pink shade from this palette in my brush and I am just applying it in my outer eye corner and inner eye corner. Yes, I am just applying it in my inner eye corner and outer eye corner. I am not applying it in middle of my eyelid or on my crease area. And then I will take a clean blending brush and I will just mix both these colors towards my crease. Yes, I will blend both these colors towards my crease and I will just mix it. I will again not apply in middle of my eyelid. I will just mix both this color with a clean blending brush. I have blended well, and now I'm taking my Sephora eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this bluish shade, this shimmery blue shade from this palette, and I'm just applying it on my middle eyelid. Yes guys, I'm just applying it on my middle eyelid with the help of my finger, and then I will diffuse its edges with the help of a brush. Yes guys, I will take that same pink color on my brush and I will just diffuse its edges. I am taking this peachy shade from my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and I am applying it on my crease area with the help of a blending brush, and I am blending all well so that there should not be any harsh line. And NYB Kohl Kajal, and I am applying it on my outer eye corner, creating a V, and then I will smudge it with the help of a brush. It will enhance my shadow look more. Here I am done with my eyeshadow, and now I am taking my Blue Heavens Blue Eye Pencil and I am applying a winged eyeliner with the help of this. Applying the same blue shade in my waterline also, I am just applying it in half of my waterline and then I will smudge it with the help of my brush. Just it well, and then I am taking the same pink shade from my Makeup Revolution palette and I am applying it on my lower lid with the help of a brush. So for other half of my waterline, I will take my NY Bay eye pencil in the shade white and I will just apply it on another half of my waterline. Taking my Maybelline mascara and I am just coating my lashes well with this. Today I will also apply falsies. Taking my Miss Claire blusher palette and I'm taking this contouring shade from this palette and I'm just setting my contoured area with this. And for my blush today I will take this pink shade from this palette and I will apply it as my blush today. And now I'm taking my Miss Clear highlighter palette and I'm taking this champagne shade from this palette and applying it on all my highlighted areas. Now I'm taking my Faces Canada's makeup fixer and spraying it on all over my face. Lipstick today, firstly I am taking my Swiss Beauty lip liner. It's a plum shade and I am lining my lips very well with this. And then I am taking my Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick. It's a pinkish shade. I will give you the exact shade number in my description box. You can check it from there. And I am applying both these as my lipstick today. And guys, here is the final look and I hope you all liked my this Navratri makeup tutorial. Guys, if you liked my video then please do like and share my video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more updates. So guys, मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए stay safe, stay at home.